Hey guys, I'm Woodcraft CZ, aka Paul. Welcome back to the IGM workshop, and today I'm excited to show you the new bandsaw from Laguna, the V10. This is Laguna's first 10-inch class bandsaw, and it packs features usually found on much larger machines into a benchtop format. One of the things I love about the V10 is that it uses cast iron wheels. The extra mass reduces vibration and gives you really smooth cuts. The cast iron table measures roughly 350mm by 318mm and tilts from -5 degrees on the left to 45 degrees on the right. A perforated insert with height adjustment keeps the throat plate level, and the holes in the tabletop ensure immediate extraction of sawdust from the cut. Power comes from a 750-watt induction motor that runs on 230 volts. For a compact machine, it has a lot of muscle. The saw has a resaw capacity of 146mm, which is perfect for small boxes, turning blanks, and modest resawing. The throat width is about 244mm, giving me plenty of room for wider objects. The V10 accepts blades from 3 to 13mm wide, so I can cut delicate curves or resaw straight lines. The blade length is 1.78 meters. The saw offers two speeds, roughly 462 and 1000 meters per minute. I use the lower speed for dense hardwoods and the higher speed for general woodworking. Thanks to the quick release lever, after finishing work, you can release the tension on the blade to prevent it from breaking at the weld. You can also quickly replace a saw blade. Roller bearing guides with toolless micro adjustment keep the blade tracking true. And there are dual windows, so I can check the blade's tracking without opening the doors. Dust collection is well thought out. There's a magnetic dust port under the table that snaps off quickly for cleaning. Two 63mm ports allow me to hook up a shop vacuum, and there's a built-in LED light. The fence system is versatile. I can flip it between a tall position for resawing and a low position for thin stock. Raising and lowering the upper guide is smooth thanks to the rack and pinion mechanism, and the large tensioning knob provides plenty of leverage when adjusting the blade. If you need more flexibility, Laguna offers optional accessories for the V10. An adjustable height stand that brings this table to a comfortable working height. A roller outfeed table supports long cuts. And lastly, a set of casters that help me move the bandsaw around the workshop. Each machine comes with a fence, a 9.5mm carbon steel blade, and a set of tools that help you make any adjustments needed. Safety always comes first, and the V10 meets CE safety standards. I always unplug the saw when changing blades. After releasing tension with the quick release lever, I install the new blade and tension it just enough to prevent drift. I adjust the guides so they almost touch the blade. Keep the upper blade guard as low as possible and hook up the dust extractor before powering on. This setup improves cut quality, prolongs blade life, and most importantly, keeps me safe. Now let's make a few cuts. First, I'll resaw a 140mm board with a 13mm blade. Notice how smoothly it cuts thanks to the cast iron wheels. Next, I'll switch to a 3mm blade and cut some tight curves for a bandsaw box. Finally, I'll prepare a couple of turning blanks, taking advantage of the generous cutting height. Throughout these cuts, the built-in light helps me follow my layout line and the fence stays square. To me, the Laguna V10 packs big saw features into a small package. With cast iron components, precision guides, 2 speed settings, and thoughtful extras like the LED light and magnetic dust collection, it's ideal for serious hobbyists or professionals working in limited space. If you'd like to see one in person, visit IGMtools.com or come to the showroom and see one for yourself. So guys, thank you for watching. This brings us to the end of the video. Please hit the subscribe button and smash that like. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments. And until the next video, happy woodworking and take it easy.